Whenever you're down here and the rain keeps going off and on, well, that's your golden opportunity to check out some cool restaurants down here in Myrtle Beach. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're gonna check out the Tin Roof right here on the boulevard on the beachfront side. Let's go check it out.
Tin Roof is located right here, what is known as the Boulevard. And you have 3 levels. And the tin roof is at the top. Let's check it out.
All right, so they sat us right here with this beautiful view. We're gonna check out and see what they have to offer. They have entertainment throughout the week, live bands. They also have a happy hour that we'll be filming, and make sure you check that out. It was on one of the top lists for happy hours at Myrtle Beach. So as you can see behind me, and whenever we take you inside, there is a humongous place for dancing, partying, socializing, just whatever you want to do. Great for birthday parties, whatever. They also have live bands throughout the week and on the weekends. So make sure you check their Facebook page to see exactly what's going on the Tin Roof. They'll give you all their updates, the specialties that they're running, and even they'll run like specials of the week drinks and everything. Check it out. So if you do happen to come out here, make sure that you do bring like a little ponytail or a clip to hold your hair back.
Why?
So you won't be eating your hair and everything. It's blowing all in my face.
Oh.
Got hair like I do and frizzy hair. Make sure you do that. One little. Oh! So I ordered, of course, y'all know I love the spicy margaritas, and here it is called the Hot Mama, and I cannot wait. And so as we were telling you earlier, that the rain keeps coming in, coming off, coming in, this is a perfect location to come because they have a huge inside that we're about to take you where you can eat in or dine out. So if it does start raining, we can either go up underneath the bar right here, or we can go inside. Anywhere you go, there's a view. The only thing about sitting out here is the wind blowing your hair. But this right here,
Okay, so the Tin Roof has tacos, quesadillas, burgers and sandwiches, tenders and wings, and salads.
You want to get the, do you want salsa and chips, or do you want to do their Nashville hot chicken dip? And so as an appetizer, we decided to go with this Nashville hot chicken dip. Yummy. Look at that. Let's tear into it to see if it's chipped. Oh, look at all that good, wholesome yum.
Looks cheesy.
Yeah, looks delicious. So I decided to go with this delicious buffalo chicken wrap. It has romaine lettuce, tomato, blue cheese crumbles, buffalo chicken tenders, and ranch. Woo, I like it hot and spicy. And as my side, I decided to go with the ranch potato salad.
And I decided to go with the Southern cheeseburger. It has bacon jam, smoked cheddar, caramelized onion. Yum. And because it was so hot today, I decided to go with a house salad.
How's that bacon jam, Brian?
It's absolutely delicious. Look at that.
It looks good.
That's the inside look. So at the end of your appetizer, you can throw it all in here,
For a weight.
mix it up, and it also weights it down because the wind blows incredibly hard up here on the 3rd floor overlooking the ocean. So this is inside the green room, where you can dance and night away right at the ocean. And in case you were wondering, they have a full bar. And not just one, but 3.
Well, there you have it. That was a quick look at the tin roof right here on Ocean Boulevard. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, keep beaching. See you in the next video.